Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll transfer this Philodendron gigas. Philodendron gigas has quite bigger, long foliage. And because it is climbing plant which has thick stem, today I decided to put in a moss totem. This is the moss totem that I made before. And when I'm potting, I will use this well draining soil. When I take out the plant, I gently grab a soil with my finger, flip it, and squeeze the pot gently. Generally, when you are growing the philodendron plant in well draining soil, the roots condition is pretty good. After remove some soil, put in a pot. Arrange the foliage to prevent damage. And fill up the soil. After potting everything, I start to put the stake on the plant. At the time, because the gigas was growing in every direction, it was a little bit decide where to stake it. After stake, with arranging the foliage, everything is finished. Personally, I prefer to matching the plant with white pot. It just make it clean and modern and look classic. After that, I water the plant. I used water can with gently water for a couple of seconds. And also water on the moss totem so it can absorb the water and make it moist. Mostly whenever I leaf potting, I generally give fertilizer. This is slow release fertilizer. As I plant it with moss totem now, I'm thinking to place this one only to facing one side. In that way, the foliage can facing just one side. And for the watering, I'm just gonna, instead of watering on the moss totem, I'm just gonna give over water. In that way, the sphagnum moss can absorb the moisture and it can constantly supply the humidity and also the moisture on the area root. So yes, that's pretty much everything for today's video. Thank you for watching, and then hope I can bring another video with this plant. Then I'll see you later.